Hi, today we are going to start chapter number 4 for the AutoCAD Civil 3D, and we will create surface with surveying data in AutoCAD Civil 3D in exercise number 1. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, which is the name Civil Guru 04, and you can start with the chapter number 1 for AutoCAD Civil 3D, and you can also like my Facebook page Land Developer and Architect Designer. You will find many more materials about AutoCAD and Civil 3D also, and you can also share your issue here. I will explain them in a video for you. So let's start our video and exercise number 1 for chapter number 4. Today we are going to start chapter number 4. So we have created an existing ground surface for this exercise. Actually, you can create a surface in Prospector by simply right clicking the surfaces node of the tree and selecting create surface. The newly created surface appear in Prospector immediately. Prospector tab we have here, but it cannot be seen in the drawing until some data is added to it. The fundamental component of a surface are points and lines. It's your job to supply the source of the point, and Civil 3D takes care of drawing the line. At this phase of the project, you will be using survey points as the initial source of surface point data. In this exercise, we will create a surface from survey data. You already know that how can we import the survey data in drawing. So I have drawing which have already survey data, and we will go with the step number 1. Open the drawing name and create an easy surface drawing located in the description link. I will give you the link. When you download this drawing, you will get same like my screen. You can see the 3 viewports. So it's the step number 1, and step number 2 in Prospector tab. Here we have Prospector tab. If you can't see, you can switch on and off here. Right click surface and select create surface. Here we have surface, right click and click create surface. Step number 3, in the create surface dialog box, enter EG in the name field. So you need to write here EG, and then step number 4, for style, select see existing contour 0.5 meter and click OK to dismiss the create surface dialog box. OK again. And step number 5, in Prospector tab. Here we have Prospector tab. Expand the surface, then expand EG, which is our surface, then expand definition also. Step number 6, if you can't see here, you can make it, you can expand that, and we have here point group. Step number 6, we have right click on the point group and select add. Step number 7, select ground shards and click OK. Ground shards and click OK. The surface is now visible. You can see in the plan view in the form of contours and shaded 3D faces in the bottom right 3D view. Here we have bottom right, and we can see 3D view, 3D shaded view for the surface. Step number 9, click 2D wireframe and select conceptual. Here you can change your shaded to 2D wireframe, you will see like that, and then you can change conceptual also, it will look like another. And the last step of this exercise is save and close the drawing. Hope you like this video.